This is going to be a video to help you solve a system of equations in a way called the equal values method. Now what I'm trying to do when I solve a system of equations is find where the two lines intersect. In this problem, my two lines are y is equal to 11 minus 2x and y is equal to x plus 2. In the top equation, my y-intercept is 11 and my rate of change or slope is negative 2. In the bottom of the equation, my y-intercept is positive 2 and my rate of change or slope is going to be positive 1. So let's go ahead and try and solve this way. The first thing I'm going to do is I know since y is equal to 11 minus 2x and y is also equal to x plus 2, then I know that 11 minus 2x has to be equal to x plus 2 because they're both equal to y. The first step in this problem is to solve for x. So I have my equation, and my equation is 11 minus 2x is equal to x plus 2, and I'm going to solve for x. Now remember, in the cold weather, I said the first step is to make a zero pair with my coldest x. I have negative 2x and positive x. Negative 2x is colder than positive 1x, so I'll make a zero pair with that by adding 2x to both sides. Now let's see what I have left. On the left side of the equation, I have 11, and then I have a positive and a negative 2x. These positive and negative 2x's cancel each other out, so I'm just left with 11 on the left side. On the right side, I have x and 2x, so the x family is going to be 3x, and I still have a positive 2. After I've gotten all my x's to one side of the equation, the next step is to get to the numbers to the other side of the equation. I have a positive 2 with my 3x. I have to make a zero pair with that, so I'm going to have a negative 2 to both sides. When I do that, on the right side of the equation, I have 3x, and on the left side of the equation, I have a positive 11 and a negative 2, which is going to make a positive 9. The last step is to divide both sides by 3 to undo multiplying by 3. In this equation, I'm going to be left with x is equal to 3. So now that I've found x, the next step is to plug x back into both of my original equations, or 3 in for x back into both my original equations, and find my y. So step 2, plug x back into both equations. So let's do the top equation first. 11 minus, or y equals 11 minus 2x. So when I do that, I write the equation out. The next step is replace x with a positive 3. So I have y is equal to 11 minus 2 times 3. The next step is it's just like order of operation. I have to multiply 2 times 3 because that comes before subtracting. And I get 11 is equal, or y is equal to 11 minus 6. And if I solve that side of the equation, I get 11 is equal to 5. The last step, now I'm going to put 3 back into my second equation. So when I do that, I have y is equal to x plus 2. If I plug in 3 for x, I have y is equal to 3 plus 2. And the last step is y is equal to 5. I have y is equal to 5 in both of these equations. So therefore, the system of equations, or the points where these two equations are going to intersect, is where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So I'm going to put this in my computer like this. So it's going to be 3, 5, and I need a space between the comma and the 5 when I put my answer in Moodle.